Hey Army, my name's Jason. I am Bee's wife. She is.
Wife?
Oh, oh, right. Sorry. Hi Army, my name's Jason. I am Bee's husband. Bee is to my immediate left here. For the foreseeable future, I will be the hands of the video. Today we have lots of line goods, some fan-made goods as well. We have plenty to go through, so let's get started. Alright, so we have here the mini handy fan from BT21. We have Cookie here. We have Shooky. Chimmy. Meng. Koya. That's a nice color. RJ. And we have Tata here. We're going to open this one. Okay.
I didn't know it comes with a strap.
Oh, cute. Look how tiny it is. It's so tiny. It's the size of my palm. That's so cute.
They should have had the butts at the back.
They should have. Does it work? Listen. It works.
It's pretty quiet.
It is really quiet. And it comes with a USB-C charging port. Oh, they have different setting speeds. Three speeds. Okay, it comes with the USB-C port cable and a cute little lanyard. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome.
It's a pretty good phone.
Alright, next up we have BT21 portable mood lamps. Unfortunately, not all characters were ordered, but we do have two to open. We have Koya, Chimmy. That's a nice solid green. Like that. We're gonna open RJ. Let's take a look. See. So it's got two different light types. It's lightweight, flexible. I guess you can bend it a little bit, and it uses USB charging. Okay.
They're so tiny. That's so cute.
Oh my god. Okay. It doesn't tell here, but look at RJ. His cute little bum. Is it work? Ooh, ooh! It gets a little bit brighter. Oh, and brighter. Oh, so you can have it just the light, or you can have both the light and the top by just pushing this button down here. So we got four light settings. Yeah. Ooh, cute. Okay, and we also have Tata here that we're gonna open. Okay. We got Tata sleeping. Little bum in his cape. And again, you have the bottom light setting, or you can have both bottom and top. Whew, very bright. Very nice, very cute. Okay, next we have plenty of the BT21 3D fit masks. The yellow ones are small. Those are the small size. And we have the medium size. Okay, next up we have the BTS mini jigsaw puzzle and frame. It comes with 108 pieces here. So first up we have Jin. We got the BTS logo in the background. Jungkook. J-Hope. RM. Sugar. And Jimin. And then we're actually going to open up Tae's because this belongs to B. Oh, okay. What's this? Oh, cute, look. And it comes with a... what is this called? Just a photo card?
What's the frame? I guess it's that thing.
Yeah, so I believe once you put all your pieces together, you stick it in the frame and it goes through here. And you put it on display.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. Alrighty, up next we have some slogans. We have some Suga slogans. Let's take a look, see. We got some pictures. They are sealed, so I'm not going to open that. Okay, so we have a picket fan here. Suga. It also comes with a rainbow pin. But let's be real, if you want to take a look at this. We got another slogan here. Oh, we got two slogans here. No, one big slogan here. Okay. Got My Sweet Boy, 1995, December 30th. So this is Kim Tae-hyung. Here. This is another big one. My Marine Boy. 97. Who's 97? Jungkook? Oh, it's Jungkook. We have here. Those cute colors. It's Kim Tae-hyung. Solid black one. And it's Jin in his business suit. Okay, we got a really big one here. Oh no, it's this way. And it's Jimin. And then we also have a little photo card here. Okay, next up, we have an abundance of pop sockets here. First up, we have In the Crescent Moon Night. Inner Child. Ego. I'm Your Filter. On. Friends. It's a cute one. And Shadow. Okay, next up we have some Jungkook Jin goods. We're gonna open those. We have a few keychains here. We have some cute stickers here. We have, what is that, the ending of, what's that song? Fake Love? And we got a cute little pin sleeping together. It's a business card. We got more stickers. Okay, next we have some more sticker sets. This one's of...
They're all Yoongi goods.
These are all Yoongi goods? Okay. Here. And we have some postcards, it looks like. Ooh, some more cute stickers. In the shape of strawberries. And we got some here shaped as lemons. And then here we have some NSFW books, but we're not going to open that. And here we have some Namjoon goods. We got some stickers. Got 2 pop sockets. Some more stickers. And a phone case. Okay, we got some Jimin made goods. We have here, what is this, a sticker set? A sticker set inside. We got, can we open this? We have here a cute little photo card. And an acrylic keychain shaped of an ice cream cone.
And a sticker.
And, oh, just a cute little sticker there. So here we have another notepad here, a cookie. We got sticky notes, some tabs, and to-do list. Oh, you have Koya as well. Ta-ta. I think we had this one before. RJ. I know we had RJ before.
For some reason, all the chimneys, the memo pads here.
Here we have Chimmy. Just a little misplaced there. Don't want to close that. Okay. And we have a Chimmy binder. Oh, cute! Yo,
RJ.
look at these pens. Look how cool they are. Look how cool RJ is.
What does it say? A little cocky?
A little cocky. That's cute. Alright, what else we got? Oh, we got Band-Aids. We got Band-Aid tins. So Cookie, we're not going to open these. And then we have Tata as well. Oh, we got socks up in here. We have Cookie socks. Tata. Ooh, I love the color. RJ. Chimmy. We got Mang. Who else? We have Shooky. Are we missing anyone? Oh, and we have Koya. And we also have a hairband in there as well. Next up, we have some fan-made stickers. We have here Hobie drink stickers. And we have Black Swan. Mono. Microcosmos. Oh, it's cute. And here we got some Persona. Shadow. Ooh, this one's really nice. And Ego. It's pretty creative. Next up we have pins. And it looks like
two pins that didn't happen. Sad face.
So on them, it's shaped as a stamp. It's a little hard to see, but on it, it says Rogers Center. So that would have happened in Toronto in May on my birthday. Sad face. Okay, next up, we have more fan-made pins. And let me tell you, they look...
Ooh.
Yeah, they look great.
Black Swan pins.
Black Swan.
I think they're all Black Swan.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, but these are well made, let me tell you.
Pretty.
Next up, we have pins. However, they are individually wrapped by the maker, and they have names on the back, so we won't show those. But B did get one as well, so we're going to open that one. And they have their own wax stamp.
Oh, these are so nicely wrapped. I can't believe she individually wraps all the orders. That's amazing.
I hate to open it, but we're going to do it.
Don't break the seal. Open it nicely.
and I believe there's a pin inside, but it's of their respective member of your choice. Hello?
Who's that?
Is this the hashtag?
Yeah, that's her shop name.
Okay, so we have their shop name. Oh, cute. Okay, so we have a photo card of the respective member that you chose. And obviously B got Tay. Look at that.
That is so cute.
That is freaking adorbs.
Is there a 7 on there? There's a 7.
There is a 7 on there.
Inner child.
Mm. That is cute. Wow.
Told myself I'm not gonna collect pins because they're dangerous, but I have like 10 now.
Ooh, 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 look at this. Oh! What the heck?
Oh, that is so
Look
nice.
at that. It says BTS Fantastic Beasts. Let's crack her open.
So they're holographic cards?
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow. Does it feel nice? It's like a satin.
Yeah. Oh my
These
goodness.
are fancy.
Yo.
Damn.
This is artwork right here.
I should have got one.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. This one, who's this? This one's RM. Ooh. Ooh. And we got Jin. Sugar. Yeah, these are nice. Ooh, J-Hope. Jimin, look at him. Ooh, wow, look at Tay.
I believe these are AR cards too.
AR cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe there's a QR code in the back. And we have Jungkook. These are badass. Wow. Okay, we also have a keychain. It's a Jimin.
Those are some more cards, but just
Okay, so these are individual cards. And these, wow, these are some giant acrylic stands. Next up, we have the Charity Fund for Australian Fires project. It's of Koya, and there are plenty here. Next, we have an abundance of pins. Let's go through them all. Okay, so we have Jin. Little dangly hearts at the bottom. And then we have RM, I believe, with actual working clock. So another RM. Ooh. We got all 7 here. You just got some body shots here. You guys can go ahead and guess which is which. We have a fancy box here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty freaking neat. And we have a forever pin. Wow, these are nice. Okay, now we have a photo book dubbed Love Ya, and it has Jungkook and Jimin, right?
Yeah, selfies.
Oh, they're selfies. Okay. I'm gonna try to skim through them. Oh, and it's the year 2013 through 2019, so that covers a lot. Oh, okay. Didn't take too many selfies in 2013 there. 2015. '16. So I believe these are posted through Twitter. Double chins, triple chins. We're into the year 2017. FaceTime each other. All right. So now we have some magic shop goods. Where'd these come from?
Weavers.
So we have 2 photo card sets to open, and what are these? Postcard? Oh, lenticular postcard set. So we'll start with the mini photo cards first. Ooh. We have Namjoon, Suga, Jin, Obi, Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook. Oh, cool! And we have a little group photo here. Alright. Oh, same one of Jin here. Jimin. Oh, another same one of Tae, Jungkook, and group photo. So we managed to find more photo cards here. So we got RM. this one's nice. Lastly, ooh, look at RM. He's ready to fight you. And we have a lenticular postcard set. Ooh. Ooh, here we go. That's pretty cool. And we have these three. Oop. It comes with two.
Mhm.
Also from the Magic Shop, we have some flags here. Who do we have? We've got Jin. Ooh, RM. Look at that confident look. We have Suga. And Jungkook. I think only 4 were ordered, right? Yeah. So those 4 were ordered. Continuing the Magic Shop store, we have a string bag. It's a cute little pouch. Very simple.
This is all Magic Shop, by the way.
Oh, okay. It also has a Magic Shop hat. What else do we have?
Mini clipboards.
What? We have mini clipboard sets.
You can open one.
You can open one? Okay. Oh, does it come with photo cards?
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. So we have RM, Suga, Jin, Jihope, Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook. And we have some acrylic badges as well. We had some wallets, card wallets. They also come with little tiny photo cards in the back there. Very cute and simple. Alright, and here we have the BTS Lightstick Special Edition. Ooh, cute! It's like a dome within a dome. How do you turn this thing on? Does that battery?
You probably have to put batteries in.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we're gonna hold off on that one. But let's be real. We kind of want to show off the photo cards. So it comes with a pouch. It's got the instruction manual. And I'll put the box to the side. Well, this is what we really want. Okay, so we got the QR code off to the side there. First, we have RM. Signature wink. We have Jin. Suga. Jihope. Jimin.
I wonder who your bias is.
Tae. junk hook here. That's that.